Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Thursday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. The winter storm we've been tracking over the last few days is finally here, and we are expecting near blizzard conditions for all of eastern Iowa. So threat tracker is in the purple. Even once the snow ends by late afternoon and early evening, our weather issues will not end because we have to deal with gusty northwest winds. That's going to create some blowing snow here into tomorrow morning. So we'll keep threat tracker in the yellow for that. Saturday, we're in the yellow for yet another chance of snow, but the bigger story into the weekend is going to be the bitterly cold temperatures. We're talking a period of wind chills that are going to be well below zero. In fact, could be 30, maybe 35 degrees below zero or colder. In the meantime, here's our weather alerts. I know there's a lot of colors on the map, so whether you're in a blizzard warning, winter storm warning, or winter weather advisory, the idea is the same. Travel is going to be extremely difficult as we see that snow fall and blow around, creating some reduced visibility as well as some blowing and drifting snow. Here's a check of the wind speeds. Notice we've got several hours here this afternoon into the evening hours where we are going to be sustained anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40, maybe 45 miles per hour. So that's why we're talking near blizzard conditions. A blizzard has nothing to do with the amount of snow. In fact, we could have no snowfall at all and still have a blizzard due to the blowing snow, but this time around we are going to have that falling snow, and of course it will be blowing around after sunset, so that's why we're going to keep those blizzard conditions in the forecast through the overnight hours. So snow is going to overspread the area through about 10 a.m. and that's as temperatures will continue to fall pretty quickly. Already we're talking mid to upper 20s in some of our western and northern hometowns. Farther east where we have 30s, that'll start off as a wet snow but quickly transition to more of a dry powdery snow as those temperatures do continue to drop. Here we are at lunchtime. The heaviest snow probably going to be in the eastern half of the viewing area, so probably around Iowa City, Cedar Rapids up towards the Dubuque area. The snow will probably start to taper off here in our western counties by lunchtime, and we'll continue that west to east trend of tapering off, but it's probably not going to seem that way as those strong northwest winds are going to blow it around. It's also dropping temperatures very quick, already in the teens by 4 o'clock. We head toward 5 or 6 o'clock, so just after sunset, we are going to see those snow showers end, but again, with those winds, we will see some blowing and drifting snow. So here's a look at the snow forecast. There's not much change. Looks like we could get closer to 6 inches in northeast Iowa, but whether you get 2 inches or 6 inches, the travel impacts are going to be very, very similar as we are going to see that snow blow around. It is not going to take much of that snow to create those near whiteout conditions, especially in the rural areas. So please, if you have to travel today, use plenty of caution. As I mentioned, those temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly today. Highs this morning are in the 30s, and then by lunchtime, again, we will be already back in the 20s. Those wind gusts could be upwards of 40 miles per hour or greater throughout the day. Tonight, even though the snow ends, we will be dealing with some blowing snow. The winds will still be whipping out of the northwest, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Overnight lows will eventually drop into the single digits with wind chills 10 to 20 degrees below zero. City by city forecast does show temperatures not getting out of the teens here tomorrow. We'll start the day with clouds, and then I think as the day goes on, we will gradually see some sunshine. But again, we could deal with some blowing snow early on. Then check out Saturday. We track another round of some light snow into the area, but temperatures are in the single digits. So with the temperatures so cold, that little disturbance moving through, it's not going to take much to create maybe an inch or two of powdery snow. Same story here on Sunday. So not going to be a lot of snow, but it will just create maybe some slick travel conditions with those temperatures so cold. Some of us may not even make it above zero here as we head into the day on Sunday. The bottom line here, it's just going to be a very cold week ahead, cold 2 weeks ahead with temperatures in the single digits for highs and teens below zero overall for overnight lows.